The Johnny Depp and Amber Heard trial has been officially over for a while now, but things still keep coming up, and it seems like the animosity is still there between the couple. I honestly don't blame Johnny and Amber for still being at each other's throats after everything that took place between them. We know that during the conclusion of the trial, Johnny Depp was in London giving impromptu musical performances alongside guitarist Jeff Beck, and now they are coming out with an album together, the title of the album being 18. They announced the upcoming album only a week after the trial ended, and it said that it will be released around July 15th, so we don't really need to wait very long. They both seem excited about this musical collaboration. Johnny saying, "It's an extraordinary honor to play and write music with Jeff, one of the true greats and someone I am now privileged enough to call my brother." And Beck saying, "I haven't had another creative partner like him for ages. He was a major force on this record. I just hope people will take him seriously as a musician because it's a hard thing for some people to accept that Johnny Depp can sing rock and roll." Well, in the lead up to the album, people have been looking into the songs and analyzing the available lyrics, and it's believed that one of the songs may reference Depp's relationship with Amber Heard, and even seems to throw a little bit of shade at her. One song on the album is titled "Sad Motherfucking Parade," and here are the lyrics that have people talking. "If I had a dime, it wouldn't reach your hand. You're sitting there like a dog with a 7-year itch, and I think you've said enough for one motherfucking night." So let's break this down and the reasons why many outlets are reporting this is a song about his relationship and legal struggles with ex-wife Amber Heard. The first part, "If I had a dime, it wouldn't reach your hand," seems to obviously be in reference to the fact that the pair have been fighting in court over money and damages, and some people believe that it's in reference to when Depp's lawyers and Depp himself alluded to the fact that the court case was never actually about the money, and that the team may choose to waive the damages that Heard owes, a total of over $8 million. Just a little bit more than a dime. The second part then continues, "You're sitting there like a dog with a 7-year itch." Calling someone a dog is an insult that has been used for ages, usually meaning to call a woman ugly or say that their actions have been inappropriate or transgressive. Depp would obviously have this opinion about Amber after everything he alleged that she did to him and what her performances in court seemed to show. A 7-year itch is a lesser known term, or at least one that I didn't know about before this, and it alludes to the phenomenon where people tend to want to leave their partners after being together for 7 years. Johnny and Amber were actually only married for a total of 15 months, but it has been 7 years since the wedding ceremony. So this may also be in reference to the fact that Amber and Johnny have been continuing with this court case and these allegations for a total of 7 years. The itch for revenge and compensation from Amber sticking around for that total amount of time. The final line, "I think you've said enough for one motherfucking night," seems to be pretty straightforward. Depp is probably just tired of hearing Amber talk, whether it be in court or on television specials. I'm sure many of us can sympathize with the sentiment of thinking that Amber Heard should just close her mouth and lay the case to rest. Unfortunately for Amber, even if she wanted to put it behind her and move on, there are a few things holding her back. One of these being the fact that it looks like she is being sued by her insurance company over the damages and her attorney fees, which are over $6 million themselves. The insurance company asked a judge that they not be required to pay any of the damages, attorney's fees, or be expected to provide any money towards ongoing litigation that may take place for Amber's appeal. This is on the grounds that the insurance company is not responsible for fees that come as a result of willful misconduct, which is what the jury found Amber guilty of in their verdict. So it looks like Amber has a pretty long and expensive road ahead of her, especially if she continues to push forward with her appeal. Her best hope is that her team's attempts to get the verdict completely thrown out are successful. But for now, that's all I have for you. I've been your host, Woody. Join us next time for more.